full to make at home. All right, and this is what we're going to be doing. I'm going to show you how to do this fantastic recipe today. It's promoted as a weight loss and also as a detoxing of the body. So what we're gonna do, I'm going to blend it up and make a nice, lovely, really drink today with you guys. All right. We're going to be using a few ingredients like pineapple, cucumber, ginger, and some lime. Little bit of honey if you take away some of the lemon, the acid from the lemon. All right, but we all know it is good for us, so yeah, why not? So first thing what we're gonna do, this is some pineapple I have left over. This is what I'm gonna be using. As you know, Chef Ricardo always have pineapple in the kitchen, you know, as usual. Feel free to share the love and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. It's promoted as a weight loss recipe because pineapple do really good for us. If you don't know, yes, it works really well, and I will encourage you to make it at home. So let's see. Pineapple still good, lovely, and that's what we need to know. All right, and that's the pineapple right here. It's not a lot of pineapple because I used half of it yesterday, so I roughly about quarter of pineapple we are using. All right. Now we're going to be getting the cucumber, but what I'm going to do, to be honest with you, I'm not going to use the skin of the pineapple. All right, we're going to remove the skin and cut up the pineapple like this. All right, so you guys can see that's the pineapple, that's the cucumber. You don't have to remove the skin. So I'm just removing the skin off of this, but you don't have to. That's option. Lovely. And we're going to get some of your favorite key lime and some ginger. That's the ginger. We're going to get the key lime for it. And this is the key lime. We're using one medium-sized key lime inside of it. All right, lovely. So I think I'm just gonna be leaving it as it is. We're not gonna be using any honey to it. Just leave the natural sweetness to it and make the natural sweetness work in your immune system, because we don't want to add any honey to it. So I think that is pretty good right here, just to leave it naturally more than use any pharmacy honey or anything in it. So we're going to put some water roughly about a cup of water into it. And that is excellent. Now we're going to put on the lid, and that's the way it looks right here. It's a beautiful drink, very simple, very delicious, and I will just encourage you to give it a try at home. Feel free to give it a try. So let's blend it and see how it looks after. Blend it. You don't have to strain it neither, but sometimes it's good to just take some of the pressure off your immune system, because there's a lot of things going on right here. Okay, lovely. You don't have to strain it, that is just an option. But you know, me personally, I drink a lot of smoothie, healthy recipe, so sometimes I just take the pressure off my, you know what I mean, kidney. Your kidney is doing a lot of work, guys. And there's a lot of things in it. You got the ginger inside of it. I didn't grate the ginger. And you got the lime. Lots of things are going on right here, so. But you don't have to strain it, to be honest. Very good for the gut. This right here, you can save this for next time. So you see, you can have this. This is, you can save it and use it again, all right? That's no problem. Excellent. So what we're gonna do now is, if you guys can see how this look. See? Still really good. All right, you don't have to make a smoothie. You can eat the fruits, which is also very good, but sometimes me personally, I just go for it like this. All right, excellent. So you can see right there, very simple and very easy to make at home. All right, and that's what I'm talking about. Now you can drink this, one in the morning, one in the evening. It works very perfect. Also, it's also a column cleanser. Pineapple and cucumber works really good for your gut. All right, so stay tuned in for more recipes and more ideas and more tips from Chef Ricardo Cooking. All right, we will give you a lot of recipes and a lot of ideas where you guys can also make at home. Remember, you can also get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. Chef Ricardo secret recipes to success. All right. Now, here it is. And as I say, you can drink it 2 times a day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, 1 afternoon, whatever time makes you happy. You can do this one at home. All right. And it's just very simple and very